Hi guys, in this video I will show you guys how to divide a fraction by a fraction by a number, or a number by a fraction. So as usual, you guys need a piece of paper and a pencil to go along with me. Alright, let's go ahead to the first fraction. We have 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 3. So when we divide a fraction, we need to keep the first fraction to be the same, and then we multiply with the second fraction to be flipped over. So we got 3 over 4, we just write again, and we multiply the second fraction is 2 over 3. Now we flip it, it becomes 3 over 2. Now let's just go ahead and multiply 3 and 3 is 9, and 4 times 2 is 8. That is the answer for the first fraction division. Now we go ahead to the second one. We got 5 over 7 divided by 2. Now we just consider 2 to be 2 over 1. And again we have two fractions. The first fraction divided by the second fraction. So we keep the first fraction 5 over 7 to be the same, and multiply the second fraction to be flipped over. So that is 1 over 2. We go ahead, 5 times 1 is 5, 7 times 2 is 14. We get the answer. Now let's go to another examples. We have 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 2. We keep the first fraction 1 over 5 to be the same. Then we multiply with the second fraction, which is 1 over 2, to be flipped over. So that will become 2 over 1. And now we just go ahead and multiply the numerator. 1 times 2 is 2, and the denominator 5 times 1 is 5. Alright, we go to the next example, 3 over 11. Again, we keep the first fraction, which is 3 over 11, to be the same, and then we multiply the second fraction to be flipped over. So that should be 3 over 2. Now we go ahead and multiply 3 times 3 is 9, 11 times 2 is 22. Now we have 5 over 9 divided by 4. We consider 4 to be 4 over 1. So we have two fractions, 5 over 9 and 4 over 1. We keep the first fraction, 5 over 9, to be the same. Then we multiply the second fraction to be flipped over. So that should be 1 over 4. And then 5 times 1 is 5. 9 times 4 is 36. Move to the next example. We have 9 over 2 divided by 7. So we can see 7 is 7 over 1. Now we keep the first fraction 9 over 2 the same. We multiply by 1 over 7. We got 9 over 14. Now we have two last example. We have 25 over 4 divided by 5. We consider 5 to be 5 over 1. So we keep the fraction to be the same, 25 over 4. We multiply the second fraction to be flipped, 1 over 5 is equal to 25 over 20. The last example, 6 divided by 5 over 2. So 6, we consider it to be 6 over 1. So we keep 6 over 1 the same, and then we multiply the second fraction to be flipped over, 2 over 5. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 5 is 5. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more video. Alright, see you later. Bye bye.